Today we're diving into a hot topic for families. Are stroller wagons actually allowed at Universal Studios?
That's a great question. I know a lot of parents love stroller wagons for their space and comfort, but theme parks can be strict.
Exactly. From what I've read, Universal Studios has pretty clear guidelines. Stroller wagons, those big wagon-style strollers, aren't permitted inside.
So regular strollers are okay, but those larger wagon types are a no-go?
Right. Standard strollers are fine, but once you cross into the wagon category, you might get turned away at the entrance.
That must be frustrating for families who rely on wagons for multiple kids or storage.
Definitely. Wagons are so handy, especially for carrying snacks, bags, and tired toddlers. But Universal's main concern is crowd control and safety.
Crowds can get intense there. I imagine wagons could block pathways, especially during busy times.
Exactly. They're bulkier, and navigating them through crowds could be tricky, even hazardous during parades or peak hours.
Do they make any exceptions for special needs or medical reasons?
Good question. Universal typically allows exceptions for guests with disabilities, but you'd need to contact guest services before your visit.
So, if you show up with a stroller wagon, what happens? Do they just turn you away?
Usually, yes. Security might ask you to take it back to your car or hotel. That's why it's best to double-check before going.
I wonder if there are stroller rentals on site for families who get caught out.
There are. Universal offers stroller rentals near the entrance. They're standard strollers, but at least it's a backup option.
I guess the takeaway is, plan ahead, check the rules, and maybe leave the fancy wagon at home.
Exactly. It's like packing for a flight. You want to avoid that awkward moment at security.
And hey, pushing a smaller stroller is a workout in itself. Free exercise.
True. At the end of the day, it's about making the trip smoother for everyone.
So for families planning Universal Studios, remember, wagons stay home, but fun is still on the agenda.
And if you're unsure, always reach out to guest services. Better safe than sorry.
That's a wrap for today. Would you take a regular stroller or brave it with just a backpack?
Tough call. Let us know what you'd choose. And happy travels, everyone.